Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe with Lendio for finding business loans, complete guide step by step clearly. Visit the Lendio website. Click on the Get Started button. Select the type of business loan you need. Fill out the application form with your business details. Provide information about your personal financial situation. Specify your credit score range. Upload any necessary documentation such as financial statements and tax returns. Review the information you have entered for accuracy. Click on the Submit button to send your application. Wait for Lendio to match you with suitable lenders. Check your email for updates regarding your application status. Log into your Lendio account to see lender offers. Compare the loan options provided to you. Read the terms and conditions of each loan carefully. Select the loan that best fits your business needs. Follow the prompts to proceed with the loan acceptance process. Provide any additional information requested by the lender. Sign the loan agreement electronically. Receive the funds into your business account once approved. Keep track of repayment terms and schedules. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.